What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, guys, we actually have a little bit of sunshine. It's been cloudy and gray and rainy for freaking ever, it seems like. It's 22 degrees, but the sun is out, so not driving the Fox today. It's going to stay. We're going to roll in the S550, and I've got to get you some updates on the cars at the shop. I've been getting countless emails. What's going on with the Leadfoot Gray car? What's going on with the convertible? What about the F100? So I'm going to update you on all the cars. There's so many projects coming. There's so much cool stuff coming that's like on the way. So let's get out to the shop, see what's up. Alrighty, y'all, and just like that, through the power of editing, we have arrived back out here at the shop. So, first, foremost, I gotta give you an update. Hold on, you probably want a little light. Yes, you need a little light. The F250, I haven't really covered, but it is getting there. If you like F250s, that one's pretty awesome, but it's not why we're here. All right. First and foremost, let's check up on Lee's car. And he's been busy. All right, guys. So you saw the video where we got this all stripped down. I don't think I've done an update on it since then. But as you can see, we got the panels all fitted in there. Got them welded. It looks like right now he's working on smoothing those welds out, filling these holes, all that. And then, of course, on the firewall, we got all the patch panels down. He's got them kind of screwed there also just to hold them flat. Those screws aren't obviously going to stay, but smoothing out the firewall back there. That's going to look super good. And been doing a little bit of work here on the strut towers. You can see right here, filling those in. It's going to look good. It's going to look really good. So, going to have a nice, smooth transition there. It'll look just like every other car. The only thing with this car, y'all, is this car is black. We haven't done a black. Well, we did do Todd's car. It came out really good. But, you know, again, this car is black, so the bodywork's got to be right. We got Nick on it. He's going to tear it up, make it look good. So, that is the update on Lee's car. Alright guys, sorry about the wind. I did not bring my external mic, but if you're wondering about Cory's 85, it's here. Obviously the Windsor is in the little pink notch, but it's just sitting here waiting on parts. The door's not working, but yeah, it is. It's waiting on Coyote and all that. There's absolutely nothing going on in here. And I don't know what he's got going on. But anyway, Cory's 85, that car is getting a Coyote, and it's also getting a Power Glide. And at first he was talking turbo. Now he's kind of leaning towards nitrous. He's a nitrous guy. But either way, that 4i will be swapped soon. So, all right, let's get in the shop, see what else we can find. All right, y'all, in the shop. Let's first get on George's car. This is George from Atlanta. The other customer car we've got right here. All right, now I know you guys probably caught the video where we were mocking up the S197 dash. It was an 06 GT dash and console in the car. They're sitting right here. George saw the video. Dover talked with George at length about it. And at this point, we're going to do a FOXBODY dash in it. I'll tell you why. There were several people that came out of the woodwork that have done this before, and most of them said that to do it right, you need to basically cut out the firewall and the floor pan of an S197 car to make it actually do right. Not that we couldn't do it, but as far as George's budget and time and all of that, it just didn't make sense for him just for a dash to add thousands of dollars and thousands of man hours to the build. It just wasn't worth it. And honestly, I really don't blame him. You know, a FOXBODY dash is going to look great in here. it's going to fit fine, and you know the car is going to be done a lot sooner. So no, we're not going to do the dash swap. If you caught the dash swap video, we're looking at making it work, and at the end of the day, it just didn't make sense, so we're not going to do it. All right, so moving on to Clint's 91. As you can see, we got the Cobra brakes on the front. I think the other side's done too. Yes, other side is done too. So we've got the Cobra brakes on the front. And then of course you saw we had to put a water pump on it. And we had one of the header tubes. We had to pull the header off and re-weld that. That was leaking. Difficult, super difficult exhaust leak to find. But we got it. So exhaust leak fixed. We took it. Actually had a Nitrous Express kit on it. Took all that off. He was not interested in spraying the car. I mean, you don't need to. This car is too nice to be beaten on. Super nice driver. Obviously, we haven't put it down on the ground and seen how the brake pressure is, but there is a very good chance, just from experience, that we're going to have to swap out for a 93 Cobra Master cylinder. And I'll bring that to you when we do that. But, you know, still having drums in the back, and now it's got 13-inch Cobra brakes in the front, that master cylinder is going to have to get swapped. Just part of the game, just how it works. But again, this car, super nice. I don't know if we've got any other projects planned for it at the moment, but so he'll probably be going back soon. I think he is going to swap wheels and possibly do the rear brakes. That remains to be seen, but any updates on that car, I'll make sure you get to see them first. All right, so hiding off in the corner over here, I get more people ask about this car. This is the Wild Strawberry 91. As you can see, it's been painted. Nick painted it, the person that's doing Lee's engine bay. But this car is getting Coyote TKO 600. We've already got everything as far as the front suspension, the engine, the transmission. It's just kind of a matter of time right now. It's already got Cobra brakes on it, and engine bay is smooth. I mean, this car is ready. Now, here's the deal, and Alex is probably going to shoot me for this, but Alex loves this car. Like, he loves the Wild Strawberry, and I mean, how can you not? I mean, this car is just, I mean, the paint is just amazing on it. If you've never seen a brand new Wild Strawberry paint job with brand new painted moldings, and I mean, it's just insane. Alex has fallen in love with this car and contemplating selling his car and finishing this. So I think he's kind of on the fence about it. He's talked to me a few times about maybe saying, hey, you know, putting it up for sale on the channel. We'll see about that. But Alex loves this car, so it's going to get a Coyote and TKO 600 either way. But Alex may end up with it, and so that remains to be seen. I'll keep you updated on that one as well. All right, guys, and I know I don't talk a lot about it, but this is the race car. So let me go ahead and give you a quick update on it. Dover's got a dart-based 434 for it. He was going to go, you know, big 9.5 deck, you know, aftermarket block, turbo, all that. Since we've started doing the Coyotes and since we've kind of seen what they're capable of, plan has changed. It's going to be turbo Coyote. And as you can see, this thing's serious. I mean, this thing is no joke. Got the race pack in there. Got the full cage. I think it's a 25 1C. Almost a funny car style. But, again, that car, this car, and it's got the Shonik hood. Oh, my God. If you've never seen a Shonik hood, yeah. Big shout out to Shonik. Best hoods on the market. Again, the issue with that car is just a matter of time. We've got so much other stuff going on as far as builds go, and you know, cars that have come in that we got to do stuff, and we do a lot of little, you know, stuff throughout the week and the weekend that, you know, doesn't even make it on the channel. You know, so it's one of those that we're not in a big hurry as far as getting the race car together, but that's gonna be the plan, and it's gonna be bad, and it's gonna be something, you know, making a little over 1,000 horsepower that you'll be able to drive around town, because it is, you know, the Coyote and it's got that drivability. So it's going to be sweet. You won't want to miss that, especially when we get it on the track. It's going to be awesome. All right, so let's get out here. I had someone ask in the comments, and you know who you are. Oh my God, I can't remember your name at the moment, but I had somebody say, you know, they were really super wanting to see some updates on the F100. So if I can get around here, as you can see, guys, it has been raining like mad. That's why the content's gonna been a little bit lacking lately, for a better lack of a better term. But and if you hadn't seen, this is the graveyard back here, the parts farm, the graveyard, whatever you want to call it. And anytime we need a part or somebody needs a part, there they be. But here is the F100. Yes, the F100 is going to get built too. The update on it is obviously the bed's off. We got all the drivetrain out of it to start some paint and body work. But this truck is going to get a Coyote and a 6R80 and probably bags, and it's just, you know, it's going to be on big wheels and, you know, super cool kind of resto mod build. Truck is solid, as you can see. Original dash, everything. But yes, there's the update on that. Now here's the thing. Back up front, we've got the whole Crown Victoria front subframe to mount everything to the suspension, everything to mount the Coyote up. That seems to be like the hot ticket for these kind of builds, is use Crown Victoria front suspension. So keep an eye out for that. Among all the other stuff we got going on, that one's going to be a fun build. I'm excited about that one. All right, so we are headed back inside because it is freaking freezing. I hate winter. I absolutely hate winter. January and February are like the worst months of the year because not only can you not do car stuff, but it's like cold and freaking gray, and it's either snowing or raining all the time. People are sick, all that. But the cool thing is we've got all these builds in here going on, so I'll always have some fresh content for you. And then, of course, once the weather gets nicer, we're putting together a FOXBODY cruise like you will not believe. It's going to be awesome. Not just a FOXBODY, like a Ford cruise as well. We're going to try to do that on a regular basis, which is also leading up to Ford Takeover, which if you have not, go over to my Facebook page, right down below, Foxcast Media, facebook.com/Foxcast Media, and look up Ford Takeover 2019. That is going to be ridiculous. I rented out the track. We got it for the whole day, and then after that, Ken is doing a Ford versus the World streetcar drag race after that. So car show, drag racing, swap meet all day long, and then a Ford versus the World race after that. May 4th, Jackson, Tennessee. You do not want to miss it. And then, of course, we got the pre-meet the night before, which is going to be freaking awesome. Go back on the channel and you can check out the Ford Takeover videos from 2018. Just kind of get a feel for the event. So, super cool stuff, guys. I got so much work in here. Like, I literally don't get any sleep. Okay, yeah, I do get a little sleep. But, yeah, there's a lot going on here. You know, we don't just do videos. We do the car builds. We do the events. You know, we're coming to you to do some car features. I'm super excited about what we're doing in 2019. So just make sure you smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss it. And I'm going to get back to work on something. Take your pick. I mean, seriously, take your pick. All right, guys. Everybody have a good one, and catch up with you next time. Later.